What's the meaning of cornet? Cornet. Cornet.
Cornet. Cornet. The term cornet refers to a brass instrument that is similar in shape to a trumpet, but has a more conical bore and a mellower tone. It is commonly used in brass bands, military bands, and orchestras. The cornet is typically played with a cup-shaped mouthpiece and has 3 valves that are used to change the pitch of the instrument. Its smaller size and softer tone make it a popular choice for solo performances as well as for blending with other instruments in ensembles.